Hi everyone, this is Kevin Miller from Sol3D. Today I just wanted to go through a quick video on a new upcoming cloud sharing beta process that we're working through for how to share some geospatial data online. And I just wanted to do a quick video on how that process all works and how you can do it yourself. So what we need to do here is first we need to get into the Engine viewer. We have other videos on how to do this specifically, but we need to load some data. So you see here I've loaded some point cloud data, some panoramics, this little IFC model of a building, some pole CSV files. I can navigate this folder. I can get it. Basically, I want to get it looking exactly how I want it to look once it's uploaded. So maybe I don't want to view the point cloud by height map here. Maybe I want to view it by color, and I want to turn down my points a bit. I'll just do that, and maybe turn down the size of the points. So yeah, there. Pretty happy with that. So once I'm ready here, I need an account on the cloud site to be able to upload to. So switching over to my browser, you're going to want to go to engine.solve.com. And once you hit that page, you'll be at a login page. And for the very first time, if you don't have an account yet, you can just click this register button and you'll be asked to create an account. So I'm going to create one here, Kevin, and put my email in. I'm going to just make up a fake email here. I'll call this D2 and I'll type a password in and agree and hit register. So now it's going to send me an email. If you do not get the email, you can request an email verification link. So I'm just going to quickly just pull this over. This is what the email looks like. So you can just click the verify email address link, and now we're verified. So now we can go back to the login screen, and you see we're right back logged in automatically. So once I first create an account, I'm not going to have any projects. That's why it's empty. You have an empty world map here, but I can view by card here and see that there's nothing. So now what we need to do to upload to the cloud is go back to Engine, reviewing this project, and we simply go to Tools, Export, Cloud. And so once we do that, if you haven't linked already, it's going to look like this, where you have to link your Engine Cloud account to the Engine desktop application. So to do that, you just simply click this blue Link Engine Cloud Account button. And if it's all successful, since we're already logged in, it says that it's successfully linked. So we can close this window and return back to our workflow. So I'll just do that. Go back to the viewer, and you see now that blue button is turned into a red button to unlink, and it shows my name here that I used when I signed up. So now it says it's going to upload all of this data, so I can just click export. And now it's scanning through all those files. It's performing the upload. If necessary, it's converting some of these files into a streamable format before it uploads, but it's doing it all automatically. And this process may vary in speed depending on your bandwidth and how fast your internet is and how fast you can upload files, but it should go as fast as possible as your computer allows. So my bandwidth is pretty quick here, so it's almost done, but this is only a few hundred megabytes, so depending on your bandwidth, it may take a bit longer. So we're just about done here. And we're done. So right away, if you want to just view it online, you can just simply click on this link and it will launch into the cloud site, and you see it's now streaming in that data, and it is all online just at this URL here. So by default, only you have access to this project. You are the one who created it. You're the one who uploaded it. So if you want to invite users to this project, all you have to do is click the little home link on the right-hand side. And now you're back to the projects listing that we were looking at before, and except we see one project now, the one that we uploaded. And we can click the little settings icon here beside the title, and you can see that, yeah, here's me. I have access to this. So if I wanted to invite someone specifically to my project, I could just type in their email address here and hit send invite. They will get an email saying they've been invited to this project, and they must create an account to log in. So with a username and password that they choose. So that's one way of inviting people, specifically by name. Otherwise, if you want, you can go to the settings tab here, and if you want to allow anonymous view-only access to your project, you can simply just click the toggle this, allow anyone with link to view projects. So now if I copy this URL and I don't know, let's just open it in Firefox, just as another browser where I'm not logged in, and hit enter, paste it in, and just give it a second to load up here, you can see, boom. So now I'm right into the project as a view-only link. I have access to this. I can see all this data. I don't need a license for anything. I can just, navigate around as I'm driving down the street, whatever it might be, and I can do all my measurements, just like before. So measure the height of this pole or something. So yeah, that's kind of the basic overview for sharing. It's all driven from the Engine desktop and what you have loaded in here. So yeah, you could feel free to make your own projects with your own data, and refer to our other videos for how to use this viewer and how to load different data sets in. Hope that helps. Thanks very much.